Hi, my name is Amber Robinson. I am owner of Robinson Law Group, and today I would like to discuss with you the topic of relocation. This is when you or the other party is wishing to move out of state with the child or children. Let's be clear that a relocation or going out of state, that's not a true relocation. That's a trip for the weekend. A true relocation is an intended permanent move to move out of the state or to move so far apart or away rather from the other parent that you're creating distance. So for example, a move from Las Vegas to Reno, Nevada would be considered a relocation. I get asked all the time by prospective clients, current clients, can the other party just move without my consent? The answer is no. Our law is very clear. In order to relocate with the children, you must have the other party's written consent and file that with the court. If you don't have that other party's written consent, then you must petition the court for a relocation. So what this looks like from a procedural basis is you would file a legal pleading seeking the court that you relocate to wherever it is that you're going. If the court feels that you have a decent enough case to at least make the ask, then they are going to set the matter for a relocation trial. Keep in mind, judges have a hard time with relocation trials because that's just a hard decision to make. So you want to make sure that all of your ducks are in a row if you are the party that is wishing to relocate. For example, if you don't have a job lined up or you're moving for a similar type job for the same pay and moving to a city that is a lot more expensive than Las Vegas, that is not going to be a relocation that is going to be granted. The court is looking for things like how the child's quality of life is improved by your proposed move. What are the benefits that you as a parent attain by being able to relocate? Did you get an amazing job offer that is going to change your standard of living, that you are going to be able to maybe perhaps afford private school or afford to live in a better school district than you're currently been living in, where you're located now? They're going to look at things like, what are the opportunities for the children in that area? Are you moving back to a place or wanting to move back to a place perhaps where you were from and you were raised? So maybe you have a ton of family support in that area. The court is going to also look at things like, are you going to follow a substitute visitation plan? And is that substitute visitation plan realistic enough for the other parent to maintain their relationship with the children? If you are a party that has maybe withheld visitation several times in the past, living in the same city as your other co-parent, that's probably not the strongest case for relocation. But if you've always been the type of parent that promotes that healthy relationship between parent and child, and you have your other factors lined up that show how your quality of life is going to improve, the actual advantage to you, the benefits to you and the children, you might have a good case for the court. We would love to discuss this with you, and you may reach us at 702-527-2625 or reach out directly to us through our website.